Pre-op call questions, we have several different questions and questionnaires that you can choose from. We have different templates, or you can come up with your own if you wanted to do that. So in this pre-op call question, I'm asking if they're taking any medication. If yes, again, I'm going to get nested questions. If no, all I have to do is click no all the way down and I get my green check mark. We're going to communicate what time the patient needs to arrive. So we're just going to tell them they need to arrive at, we'll say 7 a.m. 7:30. Let's go backwards. 7:30 tomorrow morning. And I'm the one that has communicated that to the patient. Get my green check mark. Pre-op call instructions, same thing. This can be a block that you create on your own, or you can use already templated blocks that we have. You're going to have a driver. Yes, you're not going to eat anything after midnight. You're going to bring in your insurance card, and you're going to bring all your list of medications with you. Now I get green check mark, and you'll notice that in the pre-op call area, I'm 100% complete. Okay, if I click on this, all of my workflows within the pre-op call have been completed, or all of my blocks have been completed. If I go back to the chart home, I'm at 8% complete overall, and I can click on that and I can see that my pre-op call is 100% complete.